welcome back to ANC as we continue to celebrate Women's History Month. Here are a few images shared this week. Abolitionist author Harriet Beecher Stowe's Uncle Tom's Cabin was published in 1852. Depicting the harsh conditions for slaves, it became the best-selling novel of the 19th century and helped lay the groundwork for the Civil War. Dr. Harriet B. Jones, who pursued gynecology and abdominal surgery, was the first woman licensed as a physician in West Virginia in 1885. And those famous New York City Rockettes tweeted out this throwback video. Founded in 1925 in St. Louis, more than 3,000 women have since performed at Radio City Music Hall. Christine?
I love it, Trent. Thank you so much.